Hello everyone, welcome back to QuickClear. Today, I'm excited to show you a fascinating process, how to effortlessly convert text into a captivating video using the power of AI. The first thing we'll do is generate a captivating prompt for our video using ChatGPT. I've decided to create a video on the top 10 car brands in the world. Let's ask ChatGPT to craft an engaging prompt for us. Step 1. Generate a prompt with ChatGPT. Let's get started by asking ChatGPT to create a prompt for our video. I'll input something like top 10 car brands in the world. This will serve as the foundation for our content. Now, let's see how ChatGPT refines and enhances this prompt. Step 2. Edit the generated text. Once we have the text from ChatGPT, I like to take an extra step to tailor it exactly to our needs. I usually copy the generated text and paste it into a text editor, for example, a Word document. This allows me to make any necessary modifications, refine the wording, and ensure that the content aligns perfectly with what I want to convey. Step 3. Search for Videozen, text-to-video AI tool. Now that we have our refined prompt, let's explore an AI tool called Videozen to bring our text to life. Open your web browser and search for Videozen Text to Video AI tool. Once you find it, navigate to the text-to-video option available on the platform. Step 4. Choose Template and Video Ratio. Here in Videozen, you'll be prompted to choose a template for your video. Select the template that suits the style you're aiming for. Additionally, consider the video ratio. I prefer the 16:9 YouTube size ratio for a standard and widely accepted format. Step 5. Paste the text into the text-to-video space. After selecting your template and setting the video ratio, paste your edited prompt into the text-to-video space provided. Keep in mind that Videozen requires a minimum of 250 characters and a maximum of 2,500 characters. Adjust your text accordingly to fit within these limits. Step 6. Generate video and preview for modifications. Press the Generate option and the video creation process will begin. After processing for some time, you'll be presented with a preview. At this point, you can modify the text style, color, and even change the template if needed. Take advantage of these options to fine-tune your video. Step 7. Preview the generated video. Let's take a moment to see the generated video. This preview gives you a chance to ensure everything looks just the way you want it before moving on to the next step.
Toyota, known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and a wide range of vehicles. Toyota has a reputation for producing dependable cars with a strong focus on innovation and technology. Volkswagen, renowned for its solid build quality, innovative design, and a diverse lineup.
Step 8. Download the video. If you download the video directly, a watermark may be present. To obtain the video without a watermark, open the preview and use an IDM, Internet Download Manager Downloader. This way, you'll get the video exactly as it appears in the preview. Let's go ahead and download the video using IDM. Step 9. Review the downloaded video. Now that we have our video downloaded without the watermark using IDM, let's play it and see the final result. This step ensures that the video is ready for sharing without any unwanted elements.
1. Toyota. Known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and a wide range of vehicles, Toyota has a reputation for producing dependable cars with a strong focus on innovation and technology. 2. Volkswagen. Renowned for its solid build quality, innovative design, and a diverse lineup that includes both practical and performance-oriented vehicles. Volkswagen cars often feature a balance between performance and efficiency. 3. Ford. Ford is synonymous with durability and toughness. They are recognized for producing trucks and SUVs known for their rugged performance, as well as a diverse range of cars with a focus on technology and connectivity. 4. Chevrolet. Chevrolet is often associated with a diverse lineup of vehicles, from trucks and SUVs to compact cars. They are known for producing vehicles with a good balance of performance, comfort, and technology. 5. Honda. Honda is recognized for its fuel-efficient and well-engineered vehicles. Known for reliability and innovation, Honda produces a range of cars, motorcycles, and power equipment. 6. Nissan. Nissan is known for producing vehicles that often combine style with performance. They have a reputation for innovation, especially in the electric and hybrid vehicle space. 7. BMW. BMW is synonymous with luxury and performance. The brand is known for producing premium vehicles with advanced driving dynamics, cutting-edge technology, and a focus on driver satisfaction. 8. Mercedes-Benz. As a luxury car brand, Mercedes-Benz is renowned for its opulent interiors, cutting-edge technology, and a strong emphasis on safety features. Their vehicles often represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering. 9. Audi. Audi is known for its stylish and well-crafted vehicles. The brand is recognized for its commitment to quality, innovative technology, and a combination of luxury and performance. 10. Hyundai. Hyundai has gained popularity for offering affordable and reliable vehicles. They are known for providing a good value for money, often incorporating advanced safety features and technology across their lineup.
As you can see, the video is perfectly generated. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Your support means a lot. Thank you, and happy creating.